In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Nuget package. So first, right-click on the project name, and then select Manage Nuget Packages, and then search for the package you want. So I'm going to search for Rocks, and this is the one I want, I think. Yep, that's the one I want. And then click on the Install button. Just read this. Visual Studio is about to make changes to the solution. Click OK to proceed with the changes listed below. I just want to make sure that's what I'm going to install. Yep, and then click OK. And now it's installed. And let's see where it went. It went... Oh, there it goes. Okay, so it went here to the albums. It installed this albums directory with these two files. And then it also installed this folder here, and with this object and this controller. And so these methods here map to these views here. And then if we browse to those pages, we can see here list weakly typed and list strongly typed for the two views here. And that's it.